Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be creating this look for you guys, and this is my Eid makeup tutorial, and this is a very easy makeup tutorial. I have used only affordable makeup products to create this look, and these affordable products are easily available online and offline. I went with this gold and little bit of reddish tone eyeshadow just because people love this color combination. You can pair this look with any sort of lipstick. I just went with the muted lips. You can go with red, orange, pink, fuchsia, anything you like. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this easy affordable makeup look, then please keep on watching.
So for my primer today, I'm using the NIVEA Aftershave Balm as my primer. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Cover and Concealer palette. First, I'm taking this shade to color correct my face. I'm applying it around my mouth and also under my eyes. After blending it, I'm setting it with this RIMMEL Stay Matte powder. For foundation, I'm using the LAKME Invisible Foundation and I'm in the shade 02. Using this shade to highlight my face. It has a yellow undertone to it. And I'm blending this with my Forever 21 makeup sponge. I'm taking this shade for cream contour. I picked up this palette because it has all the neutral shades. And you can use this palette for concealing, color correcting as well as bronzing. This is easily available in Flipkart, NYKAA, Myntra as well as Amazon. Now I'm again setting my face with the RIMMEL Stay Matte powder. So for contouring, I'm using this Mist Clear eyeshadow in the number 0215. So I'm using all of my Forever 21 makeup brushes for this look. For blush, I'm using this Essence Silk Touch blusher in the shade Baby Doll. And for highlighter, I went with this NYKAA highlighter duo because it is affordable as well as you get two shades. Highlighting my face with the help of this Oriflame eyeshadow blending brush. And for brows, I'm using this Wet n Wild brow pencil. So for my eye makeup today, I will be using this Mist Clear eyeshadows. First, I'm taking the shade 0215 on my crease. And I'm blending this with my Pro Arte PE23 brush. Next, I'm taking the shade 0508. It is a beautiful red shade. Again, applying this on my crease with the same PE23 brush by Pro Arte. So make sure whenever you're working with this eyeshadow, be very careful because this is very pigmented. With a clean blending brush, I'm blending out my crease so that there is no harsh lines, and this brush is P22 by Pro Arte. Now taking a cool tone chocolate brown shade, this is 0209. Applying this on my outer corners of the eye. Applying the same shades on my lower lash line with the same PE23 brush. Now I am applying the highlighter on my eyelids with this Pro Arte PF08 brush. You can apply whatever gold shade you have. Going back to the same chocolate brown shade and the same brush, I'm blending it out on the outer corners. Now for the fun part, I'm using this Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow by NYKAK. First, I'm applying this with my fingers on my eyelids. Going back to the same highlighter, I'm highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. Applying Plum Kajal on my waterline, I'm also tightlining my eyes. Applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This is Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. Now again going back to the liquid eyeshadow, I'm applying it to intensify my eyelids. I am mainly focusing this on my inner corners of the eyes. And for falsies, I went with this PAK M74. For lipstick, first I went with this Intimattes Nude by Maybelline. This is in the shade Toasted Brown. Now I'm using this NYKAK liquid lipstick in the shade MILLBROok. And here you can see I'm just intensifying my inner corners with the same liquid eyeshadow. And this is the finished look.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will also mention all the links to buy these products, so make sure you check out my description box, and do let me know if you like this look or not in the comment section below. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all. Bye guys.